Hello everyone, this is Shatrughan and in this lecture we'll study about fate of germ layers. Okay, before coming on to the topic of fate of germ layers, let's see some important thing that we should be discussed about. That is that before the start of the gastrulation, primitive streak appears and this primitive streak स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ प्रिमिटिव नॉड एक मतलब एक डिप्रेशन देखने को मिल जाता है ऑन अबव द एपीब्लास्ट लेयर एंड दिस एपीब्लास्ट लेयर प्रोसीड्स विथ एन इन्वेजिनेशन या एक डिप्रेशन देखने को मिलता है ठीक है and that depression is known as primitive streak and this depression determines bilateral symmetry. Okay, and this primitive streaks marks the start of gastrulation. All right. Now we will come on to the topic of fate of germ layers. So this is the table for fate of germ layers, that is that each of the three germ layers will give rise to definite tissues or organs and systems of the bodies. Ectoderm will give rise to epidermis and skin and cutaneous gland. Nervous system that will include brain and spinal cord. Motor and optic nerve. An eye that will include retina, lens and cornea, conjunctiva and ciliary muscles, and also it will give rise to nasal epithelium, internal ear, sense organs, mouth, pituitary gland and pineal gland, adrenal medulla and hypothalamus. If we talk about mesoderm, it will give rise to dermis, muscular tissue, connective tissue, endoskeleton that is bones and cartilage, circulatory system that includes heart and blood vessels, kidney, gonads, urinary and genital ducts, coelom and coelomic epithelium, adrenal cortex, spleen and notochord. Endoderm will give rise to gut, but midgut. Okay, glands of stomach and intestine, tongue, lung, trachea and bronchi, urinary bladder, primordial germ cells, gills, liver, pancreas, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, middle ear and prostate gland. So these are thus organs that will be developed from by their respective germ layers.